Hey, second graders, I am going to review with you lesson 91B. Here we go. The first thing is, it says count by 9, start with 0, and write the numbers. Here are your 9s. 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. Those are your count by 9s. And problem number 2 says make a 3 1/2 inch vertical line segment. Remember, vertical as you stand. Okay, so a vertical line segment, and then make a 9.5 centimeter horizontal as the sun comes up line segment. And you can choose anywhere on your paper to do that, but make sure that your inches is vertical and your centimeters are horizontal, okay? Problem number 3 says start with 200. So I start with 200. Here's problem number 3. Start with 200, count by 25, and write the numbers. I started it out for you, but I want you to finish. So start with 200. Then next would be 225, 250, 275, 300, and so on. And this is your pattern: 25, 50, 75, and then a 0, 0 when you come to your next hundreds. Problem number 4 says show 10:30 in the morning on that first clock. 10:30 means 30 minutes after. And then make sure your shorthand is your hour hand, your longhand is your minute hand. And remember, as the minute hand moves, the hour hand moves. Hour, use the numbers. Minute, count by 5s. So if you're trying to show 10:30, this would be 10 on your clock, 10:30. 10:30 is 10:30, so it'd be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and you see how the hour hand moves as the minute hand moves. So this will be 10:30, that's your first clock. And then the problem says show 10:30 in the morning. Remember, AM morning, PM afternoon. So make sure you write AM on that one. So it's gonna be 10:30 AM. Okay, keep going for the other 2 clocks. Remember, AM morning, PM afternoon. Don't forget that. Problem number 5, you guys. I'm bummed you're not here because we can't do our own poll. But when we come back, I'll have you guys do your own poll. Okay, but we'll do the one that's on the paper for today. The second graders at Narnia Christian School used a Venn diagram to graph the results of their favorite pet poll. So here is the Venn diagram up on the whiteboard for you. The first question says, how many children like dogs? That's any child who says, oh, me, I like dogs. That's any kid here that says, I like dogs. So you have to count those up, okay? That will be the answer for that first question. The second one says, how many children like cats? That's any child who said, oh, me, I like cats. That's any kid who said that they like cats. The next question says, how many like both? That's the part that overlaps. The kids who said both. I can't decide. I like both dogs and cats. How many is that right there? And then the last one says, how many children don't like dogs or cats? They said, not really into dogs, not really into cats. That would be all these kids who are on the outside. Okay? There you go. And the next part says, make one comparison using the word than. So you have to compare. So you could say, more children like dogs than cats. Okay, you could say more children don't like dogs or cats than just like cats. You could say more children just like dogs than cats. okay? You could make any comparison that you want, but those are some ideas for you in case you get stumped. The last question says, fill in the blank to make the number sentence, or to make the sentence true. Now's the time to pull out your math reference book and look up all the answers. They are all, where are they? They're all gonna be right here. These ones. All right, and that's it. Math lesson 91B.